these fancy cars. Bentley. There's people running to come to this place. Alright. Got some eggs. And some rice for breakfast. Let's go. How you doing, buddy? Alright, let's try this out. Some kind of hot sauce, I think. Thought she was giving me candy. Hope I don't get sick. It's not really that hot. Eggs and rice. See how hot this stuff is. That's like sweet and sour sauce. 2 eggs and all that rice for 30 baht. That's crazy. That works out to be like, it's like $1.25. I'm stuffing my face. How do you beat that? I gotta finish this off. I'll be back. Not sure why the eggs are orange here, but it must be a type of chicken. I mean, I hope it's chicken. Came from a chicken. You know what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to eat here, okay? Just leave me alone for a minute. Well, I'd say that was pretty good food. For $1.25. I'm not quite sure where I am, but I'm behind the Amazon Cafe on Truck Tech Din Road. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this tag so I don't lose it. Just jam it in my pocket, I guess. Probably the best spot. Oh, I think I found a grocery store. I hope. Just gotta get across the street. Alright, let's go check it out. Boy, there's people running to come to this place. It's the best bakery in Thailand. Actually, all I can see is baked goods, peanuts, no oil. Alright, I guess it's pretty hard to find a grocery store around here. There's stuff everywhere here on the streets. Clothing, more clothing. That's quite the little contraption. Full moon party, maybe we'll go there. We're nowhere near it right now though. Imagine coming here and getting a tattoo. Just on Khao San Road. If you guys want to come down and get a suit, come down to the Boss International. Just ask for Rush and he'll help you out. Oh, check this place out. Lots of really nice suits. Are these all custom fit?
Yes.
Wow, very nice. Oh, yeah, lots of pattern.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Air conditioning too. Hi, how are you doing?
Welcome, sir.
Hi, how are you doing?
Good morning. Yes, very
Good.
good, sir. How are you?
Just watering the grass. That's how you get a job done really quick. A little problem. I was trying to plug my MacBook charger into the wall, but this setup just ain't working. And this whole thing just keeps crashing down the ground. So apparently you don't need a adapter, travel adapter for your MacBook. You just gotta change out the little thing on it. So I just hooked up my Volt account. I'm gonna put this away so that I can get a ride down to the Apple store and go get the proper adapter so I can charge my MacBook and get to work. Because as of right now, I have no way to charge my computer, and I thought I had everything figured out. Obviously, I haven't got everything figured out, so we're gonna go on a little mini road trip. See you at the Apple store. Well, I got dropped inside the underground parking garage. Check out all these fancy cars in here. Bentley, holy, Porsche, BMW. Wow. Unreal. Now you go find the Apple store.
You mean this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's out of.
Got my handy dandy travel adapter. That was the craziest Apple store I've ever seen in my life. Now let's go enjoy the view. No drone flying. This is all we can do today. I don't even have a drone, but head back to the hotel. This boat died. think it's gonna work. So I got it to work. It plugs in, but I still have to use my back scratcher to support it. It's the only way I can get it on there, or it'll fall off.